Some viewers and subscribers wanna see what I go on. Wanna hear what I go on. Something not right. Yeah, man, something not right. And the thing is, nobody know what is wrong. All you can hear is speculation. You know, people are saying this happened. Just like how we normally do. We are going to speculate until we find the truth or till the truth come out. But right now, we all can see that she need help. And me wish she take the help. If somebody come forward and I try to help her, me wish she would take the help because she need it. Yeah, man, she need the help, and all the help she can get, she gonna need it. Because she have good talent. And me personally would want to see that talent there go to waste. So, with all due respect, enough respect and enough manners and all kind of something. We need, not really we, but somebody need to help her because me don't know her. Me can't help her. The only thing me can say on my platform, if she listen, if she hear this, is take the help. If somebody come to you and give some help, take the help. So, with that said, me not to go too far upon it because it's a situation of, I think, in my opinion, I think she expect more. Yeah, me think she expect more in a fair situation with Vybz Kartel, knowing say she did it with him, knowing say at one point people say them Vybz Kartel backs her up, and she admitted say yes it happened because she and Vybz Kartel is in a relationship. So I think she may expect Vybz Kartel to do more for her, or she expect Vybz Kartel should have dealt with her and shouldn't deal with see them. You never know. It can be anything. It can be anything just chip our brain, bring her in a this kind of issue, this kind of problem, and that's just it. You never know what is the problem until you really find out what's the problem by your own. So, my viewers and subscribers, me personally, now go say what happened, because me no know. And to be honest with you, the only thing me I go do is speculate, say, is because Vybz Kartel I buy everybody vehicle and buy her no vehicle and give her no money or do something or no deal with her. But that's the only speculation. Me can't speculate. But to be honest with you is, I hope and pray say she gets some help, because if you realize, put away where she has set on her life. But you go at the airport and do something wrong. That's then call the police upon you. And when the police come, the police was very respectful to you. And the way how you operate allow the police to escort you out. While the police are escort you out, the lady not do nothing to you. The lady just take a picture or a video. You don't know how to thing up. And you get yourself in that trouble. So, my viewers and subscribers, no say a word. Remember, we go change the name of the channel from Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle to something else. You go like it, you go love it. So, with that said, peace and love. Again, thank you for watching this video. Enough respect. I'm out.